What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man. We are back with another video, and as you guys seen by the thumbnail and the title, we have the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds in the collection finally, man. Shouts out to San Antonio Souls for hooking me up with this pair. He hit on them with the Nike SNKRS app shock drop they did a couple days ago. I seen that they had them for sale, and I immediately hit them up on IG, and we linked up, and I finally have them in the collection. I will link them down below in the description box for anybody out there in San Antonio that want to get 100% authentic sneakers. Unbreakable Kicks dropped that information super fast for a lot of us, and I immediately related that message to the Vintage Squad, and I seen a lot of W's, man. So shouts out to Unbreakable Kicks again for dropping that info. And I'm super excited to peel these joints open to show the Vintage Squad, man. Right now, if you're new to the channel, what I need you to do is hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to that 40K, and we are super close. So if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and follow with that notification bell so you never miss any other videos that drop on the channel. The goal for every video is 300 likes, so please share that support, smack that like button, it's free, and go down below in the description box and give your boy a follow at the Vintage World. So all that being said, let's get right into these Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, man. And size 9 Air Jordan 4 Retro White Fire Red Black and Tech Gray. Check out that official size tag and colorway right there. You guys already know how Air Jordan 4 box comes, the flight, the Jumpman on top, and let's peel these things open. You got like 2 layers of paper right here, as you can see. You got this right here, check it out. And ayo, baby, there we have it, the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. Let's pull these things out the box. Again, shouts out to San Antonio Souls, man. Like I said, if you're looking for any sneakers out here in San Antonio, hit my guy up, he will hook you up. And then we have it, the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. As you guys can see again, I am excited because this is a sneaker I wasn't able to get growing up, but I always admired, I always liked this sneaker. Air Jordan 4 is one of my favorite silhouettes in the Jordan line, and it was only right to add these joints in the collection. It's been a long time coming. As you guys can see, it came with that OG Nike Air hang tag right there. This same hang tag came with the Bread 4s that we got last year. About a month before we got the shock drop on the Nike SNKRS app, they put out the official images, and a lot of people were not liking the pinkish look to the red that we seen. They immediately changed that official image up, and it showed the true fire red, that OG look. And having it in hand, trust me, that fire red pops throughout the entire sneaker, and I'm really liking how that back tab is hitting, man. I really never trip over official images because some pictures do not do any shoes justice, just like these right here. They put like the wrong color or whatever they did, the wrong lighting with the sneaker, and as you see right here, the official Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds is 100% legit. That fire red is popping. Something I have been seeing on a couple people's videos is a comparison with the Air Jordan 4 PSGs, and off rip, I already knew that the PSG quality, the leather quality was much better than these Fire Red 4s. I feel like they do that to us too much, just like the UNC 3s they dropped this year. It was killing the quality for the True Blue 3s. I don't know what is going on with that. They don't give the quality, the good quality to those OG colorways, but for new colorways like the PSGs and UNCs, they give it immaculate leather quality. It's crazy. If you guys hit on these via the shock drop on the Nike sneakers, man, please let me know down below in the comment section, and drop some fire emojis down below if you cannot wait for the full review and on feed over these Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, man. I know we got the flinch this year. I know we got a couple of off-whites and stuff like that, and I kind of put these Fire Red 4s to the back burner, and I didn't give it too much thought. But now that, you know what I'm saying, it's the month of November, it's getting close to the release, I'm just super hyped. I'm just super excited about these Air Jordan Fire Reds, as you guys can see, man. And when I tell you guys this Fire Red hits, man, I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll so you can see the Fire Red hits all throughout the sneaker, man. It's on the tongue, the back tab, the midsole. So the only thing I'm knocking about these Air Jordan 4s is the leather quality, and the fact that Nike didn't let me hit on the Nike SNKRS app, even though I knew a whole day before. It's crazy. I thought I was gonna hit, man. But again, I'm glad I was able to help a couple of you guys hit on the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red shock drop. To me, I feel like the Fire Red 4s are the 3rd best colorway out of the 4 model. I believe it's the white cements, the Breads, and then the Fire Reds. Check it out, the Breads I released a couple years ago. I beat these things up when I went to Paris. I gotta get a brand new pair. And of course, we got these back in what, 2016 or 2017, I'm not too sure, but goes down as probably my favorite. This is my favorite Air Jordan 4 of all time. But again, Jordan Brand been blessing us with a couple of dope colorways of the 4 model this year. The PSGs, the Black Cats, which are going for a crazy resale price right now. And of course, these beautiful Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, man. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to this video. Just a little prelude to the full review and on feed that will be dropping very, very soon. Trust me, just hit the notification bell and you guys get notified when it drops. Please smash the like button to go for this video. It's 300 likes, so if you're watching this, please leave a huge like on the video. It is free, it is free. And head over to IG and give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. Right now, I can honestly go without copying any other sneakers. I'm not even really a big fan of the Air Jordan 11s we will be getting in December. And the mochas right now, I'm not even really feeling because I don't know what's going on with the reservations or anything. It says 280,000 pairs, but you're not able to reserve them literally anywhere right now in San Antonio. It's crazy. But I appreciate all the support. I'm gonna catch you guys in the full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, man. Okay guys, I hope you watched the entire video. I made my mind up. If we get this video up right here to 500 likes, I'll be giving away a free pair of these clean Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, man. We did a couple of giveaways this year, but I feel like this would be a dope giveaway to get back to the Vintage Squad. All my real supporters out there that really rock at the channel. All we gotta do is get this video right here to 500 likes, and I will give you guys all the rules, the details, and stuff like that. What you gotta do to enter, so you guys are well aware of what to do to win a free pair of these joints. I will also be doing giveaways every other month for the members of the channel. I have a link down below on how to become a member. It's only about 20 members right now, so your chances are very high on winning something from me every other month. Like I said, the link to become a member of the channel is in the description box. But again, 500 likes, and your boy The Vintage will be giving away a free pair of these clean Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. So hurry up, hit the like button if you watched the entire video. I know some people didn't. Comment down below to let them know to get this video up to 500 likes. It's all on you guys. If we get to 500 likes, free pair of Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. Simple as that. Like I said, I'll give you guys the rules very, very soon, man. I appreciate all the support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boy. Again, you guys already know the goal is 500 likes, so please smash that like button. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. I will link it down below in the description box. And tomorrow we will be doing a live count for the Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. As you guys seen, a lot of reservations for people got canceled. The stores aren't getting all their pairs, man. So my local area, Foot Locker doesn't have a reservation, Champ Sports doesn't, and the only store that's good as of now is Foot Action. Let's hope that they have all the pairs. Let's hope I'm able to secure a pair from Foot Action and I can go pick them up tomorrow and give you guys that full review and on feed you guys been waiting for. I dropped all the details about the Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha reservations being canceled. That was the latest video on the channel, so go check it out. Give you guys a little bit more in-depth information on why they're doing that. So with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the live cop tomorrow. Pull up, hit the notification bell right now for your boy. Let's cop some Air Jordan 1 Dark Mochas, man. Let's get it.